Good morning there, Southern Engineers. Out here with another video. Alright, so your compressor won't come on. Here's why. There ain't no freon in the compressor at all. So here's what you do. You add a little alright, then you take your hand and you spin your compressor. Add a little more. You see the window, how it's putting it in there? And you just spin it by hand a little more. And eventually that compressor will come on. Alright, as you can see, the compressor finally came on. Compressors are looking pretty good. Please like and subscribe.